School grades and marks. These are letters and scores like A, B, C, grade, score, and result. They show how well a student did in schoolwork. A grade is a letter or symbol that shows the quality of school or academic work. It measures how well a student performed on tests and assignments. Grades tell if work was excellent, good, or needs improvement. Common letter grades are a B, C, and D. A means excellent work. B means good work. C means average work. D means below average but usually passing. Numerical grade system uses numbers or percentages. Scores go from 0 to 100%. Grade point average or GPA uses a scale like 0 to 4.0. Marks from tests convert to these numbers. A score is the raw points from one test, quiz, or assignment. It shows as a number out of the highest possible points. For example, 18 out of 20. It measures performance on that single task. Grade point average or GPA is a number that shows overall academic performance. Schools give points to each letter grade. They average these points, usually on a scale from 0 to 4.0. A result is the official paper or report with final grades. Schools give it at the end of a term, semester, or year. It lists all subjects, scores, and shows overall performance. An academic transcript is the complete official record of all schoolwork. It shows personal information, every course with grades, cumulative GPA, degrees earned, and has official school signatures and seal.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.